In this video, we'll show you how to easily create a personalized email signature using templates in the Wise Agent CRM platform. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure all your profile details are added to Wise Agent, because your email signature pulls information like your contact details, job title, and designation directly from your profile. Once everything's set up, head over to the gear icon and select Email Signature. When that page loads, find the team member who needs a signature and click Add Signature. Next, give your signature a name. From here, go to the template link on the right side of the screen and choose from one of the templates we've provided. There are plenty of options to fit all kinds of needs. Just pick whichever template looks the closest to what you want. Once you've selected your template, check that everything looks just the way you'd like. If you need to, you can click in and make edits. Down below, there's a bar with all your social media links. If you look to the right, you'll see built-in social links as well. These links are clickable inside your email, so double-check that you've added your own info. Each link should point to your specific channel. Once you're happy with everything, just click Save.